Satan bless you just as well. And as I've said before, all money is not good money. And you got to know who that money is coming from and what the purpose of that money is. You got to be careful. People be on this kind of high because they got it flowing in and it's coming and they getting contracts from this place and that place. You got to know who these contracts are coming from. You got to know who is actually blessing you with this money. Um, Satan always can grant certain blessings. They're always turning. I read that in cursive. Uh, Santa's Garden says, I am not new. I am one of the oldest. Right when you started on YouTube. Not sure if you remember me. From overseas. Not overseas. But where did you live in Canada or somewhere like that? Did you lived in Canada, didn't you, sweetheart? You used to come every day in my life when I first started. Now I remember. Oh Lord, y'all feel like something's in my eye. Forgive me. Okay. Give you a hint. How have you been, Nana? I have been doing very well. I have Santa's Garden, UK. Okay, I knew it was somewhere over there. I have been doing I've been blessed, blessed since we have talked. My husband Jimmy has passed. He's sleeping in Jesus right now. But yes, he has. Legends, hello people, hello legends. Welcome to the live. Michelle Dickens, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Michelle. And everyone new who's coming in, welcome. I'm so glad y'all came into the live today. My brother, now Charles Graham is my brother. I call him Charlie. Okay, welcome to the live legends. Y'all is still bothering me in this eye. Hold on. Feel like a piece of hair or something has gotten in my eye. All the old soldiers popping in today. Legends Gaming 667. How's everybody? How are you doing? And welcome to the live today. I am so glad y'all have entered in and decided to be a part of this live today. And as you see, the title of the live is Have You Seen the Movie Sinners? Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get that green. Let me see. There it is. There it is. Let me move my head so y'all can see it. You see it? Let me move back here. There's the cast. I tell you what, y'all need to check it out. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. My kind regards and condolences to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Legend, I'm going just try since it's 3 here. 3 in the morning? Oh my Lord. You are up late. I'm good, yeah. Minister Chase said, and you also got to be careful about the dreams you have. I tell you, when you have a dream, it's always good to pray afterwards and ask God to give you the interpretation. It is from God and not the devil. Yeah, the devil give you those dreams also. He'll have you dreaming things. Oh my goodness. Uh Charlie's telling Michelle, welcome to the live, and Michelle is saying thank you. But I just wanted y'all to get a piece and to see this. And if you can, get out and see it. Get out and go see this movie. Okay.